to the city. Whoa, rat trap, load of beggars there, waiting for a Christian food drop. One of them vomits here in the delivery by. He's gonna be eating that piece. It's boring now, watching someone steal your bike. Walking around in circles, paying a fortune for something that's cheap. I settled down with a cupboard. Yesterday's copy paper, and the assistant was smiling. She don't speak English well, yeah, and the world fell down. The world fell down. Somebody run 'em back. Shoplifting, don't get involved. You don't know what they carry. Going to the movie show. And we just can't wait. Me and my baby queuing up in a line. Oh yeah. The film came out fire star. It was the wrong one. Nobody can know customer service. No, no. With last week's models, I couldn't get a refund. No, the manager wasn't working this year, and the assistant on the kiosk said I could give you a £5 voucher to next week. No authorization. She probably couldn't get him out of work. Dirty old TV. No, I don't got them people. I don't want to do with this play. Ain't that a shame? Ain't that a shame? Ain't that a shame? They canceled last week. 16:50 in the cab, the last part of the way home. Say goodbye. Yeah. colorful cap, that second-hand cinema was the wrong film. You bet you never hear from them again. Down to the city, down to the city, down to the city. No level service, no